I'm now at the Fanulao area. I'll be doing this video about the 23/9 park. It's a kind of a big park for exercising, recreational activities, jogging, and sometimes people playing badminton, shuttlecock, and more. Even leisure walking. I can hear the sound of the shuttlecock playing now. You can also rent bicycles here on the left side with the colorful rim wheels. Today is a Sunday evening. The time now is 5:25 p.m. 25 minutes past 5 p.m. Been wanting to do this video for a long time, but then I was caught out with some other activities, some other videos that until recently I decided to do this video, and today is a good day, although it was raining like earlier. So in front is a group of people playing the shuttlecock kicking, which is a fun game to play with groups and teams. The objective and the aim is to keep the shuttlecock as long as possible in the air without dropping, and then it's kicked by using the foot on the outside of the foot, inside of the foot, or you can do a back heel kick. They are really experienced players, judging from what I see. And not only that, there are benches for visitors to rest here, to sit and relax. Luckily, the rain has stopped, so look at the ground, it's still wet from the rain like 1 hour ago. It seems to be raining nowadays from like 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. every single day. So if you want to explore Saigon, you come like in the morning or afternoon, and then maybe after 5 p.m. or you can just bring umbrella and explore. There is a big lily pond, but the water seems to be a bit dry and low now. I believe there are some small fishes inside and maybe some turtles. It used to be more beautiful. Couples also come here. Well, the whole area, I think, is a few kilometers. I see people just resting here. They're actually watching opposite. There are some like, oh, that's a tourist bus going past. Around Saigon, the price $145,000 for one. Actually, the view opposite is a Fanulao area. And there are many hotels from 2-star to 5-star hotels, or even 1-star, but I see majority will be 3-star hotel in the range of USD $35 onwards for one night. There is a double bed for 2 persons. If you want a triple bed, it's slightly more expensive. If you want a room for one, maybe it's cheaper, because let's say in Agoda, they are actually prices, they are cheaper for just 1 person, 1 room. Alright, there's a small garden here. Then in front I see some people exercising on the machines. There are bicycle machines and some other machines. Let's check out. Reaching soon. By the way, these exercise machines are free. There's no need to pay anything. It's for public use, so just come here and feel free. Let's explore this side first. This is like a cycling machine. The next one is some kind of swinging. You actually hold on the handlebars and then you swing your leg. Is supposed to help in the maintenance of a slim waist for ladies, but actually men can try it too. And next we see some people jogging, exercising, walking. It's a very famous park in District 1, this 23/9 park, and even babies, toddlers can do this step climber. And then if you're wanting some other exercises, there's one this machine to do exercise for the arms. Basically, you hold the wheel and then you turn clockwise or the other direction, anti-clockwise, up to you. More of the cycling machines, joggers, and two other machines in front. It look kind of similar though. The machines is for the swinging of the hips and the waist. And there's a two stair climber and a bench. Two more machines in front. They look different now. It's for sitting. That's actually exercising for the legs. Basically, you sit on the little blue bench, blue chair here, and then you rest your leg on top and perform some exercises. And this one will be for the tricep. You will holding the two handlebars here, and then right hand and left hand, and then you go up and down. The street opposite is Lei Lai, which is famous for their hotels and the spa. I see some spa there. There's also some restaurant, sushi restaurant. Maybe I'll do a video, separate video on the Phang Nu Lao and Lei Lai later on what's happening here, what's cool here. For the main time, I'll just focus on this 23/9 park. And over there is a central market. I actually done a video separately. You can check out my channel. It's just a good shopping area and some restaurants. And now I'm walking in the reverse direction to check out the other side. Wow. You know, exercising is good for our bodies. So walking, jogging and running is good for our body. Even just pedaling on those little machines can help to maintain our good health. So the doctor say exercise at least 1 week 3 times, and one time at least 30 minutes for your cardio health. I think it's good, especially for those who eat a lot of unhealthy food, spicy, greasy, chili, lots of salty food. Then they come and exercise frequently. I see these bicycles are really like the trend now in Saigon. Actually, they've been here for like more than 1 year. It's rental, but I have yet to like try them. There's a QR code to scan. I saw it. Oh, that's how it works. You're swinging your body, the leg on the machine, and then you swing your hips. I think the folks just stay around the Lishi One area and they just come down and do some exercise before heading back for dinner. It's yet to be 6 p.m. The time is like 33 minutes past 5 p.m. now on a Sunday afternoon. I see some spots in front, diagonally left side. I'm going there now. Lots of trees here, like botanical garden, guys. The air is really fresh, but then sometimes I see smokers, and just avoid coming here after 10 p.m. because the park will have no lights and make it a bit dangerous. But before 10 p.m. there are still lights. Okay, in front is another group of shuttlecock kicking players. There are 7 of them, and then behind there's also another group playing soccer. I estimate about 50 to 100 people now in this 23/9 park, and lots of big tall trees, coconut trees, and some pine trees at the back. These the other group playing some soccer. There are 6 of them, 5 of them, and the other group is playing the shuttlecock kicking game. I think they have been playing this for years. Super experienced, super professional. You can keep the shuttlecock in the air for at least 30 seconds.